Welcome to another video from fliplifestyle.com, and today we are doing moong dal vada or moong bhaji. So what we are doing is we are taking the yellow moong dal and putting in water, and we are keeping it for 10 hours. After it's done, then throw out the water and actually use the pure moong dal. It's important to keep the moong dal in the water for 10 hours. Then remove all the water from the mixture. Now this is the ingredients: salt, red chili, green chilies, and ginger. So we are using hing as well. So using red chili powder, salt, turmeric powder, and also this is a green chili paste and ginger paste as you saw. Now what we are doing is we are doing the mixture of moong dal in the mixer grinder. So we will grind it, not too much, but a little bit. So as you can see, okay, we will grind more. So it's important to make sure that it becomes at the right grinding. So yeah, here it happens. This is the perfect thing. So it's important to remove it. So we are removing the moong dal and we are now creating the batter for it. Okay. So we are preparing the batter for moong dal bhaji, or what you can say is dal vada or moong dal vada in Gujarati. So yeah, we will grind more in the mixer grinder, so that it becomes like this. Yes, this is the right stuff. So we create the batter. Okay, now we are putting green chilies and that mixture of moong dal and green chilies mixture, and also ginger. So we will mix it well in the grinder again. So this is really important, guys. Make note of this process. If not, you can visit our website at fliplifestyle.com or check the description below. You will find all the ingredients, and also you will get to know the process. So we are grinding it in the mixer grinder. Now we put some turmeric powder, rice flour. Rice flour is important to get more crispiness. That's the secret, guys. Rice flour. This is the salt. If you want to make anything crispy, use rice flour. This is the pro tip from Flip Lifestyle. Okay, now we take oil, refined oil in a kadai. So using refined oil is good. Now heat it. So we are going to start frying now. So make sure you use a spoon. It will help because your fingers will not get burnt or there will be no kind of injuries. So this is a safe method. Kindly watch it properly. So yeah, we gently put the batter into the hot frying kadai. See, this is the way. Now one by one, slowly we will put it in the. So small, this is the normal way, and slowly we will make it in batches. So like you can see, we are doing 5 at a time. It helps to do proper frying. Yeah, so you should use normal gas, not too high, not too low, in the medium. So at a medium flame, you should keep it so that it fries well, and keep it till it becomes red. So you have to keep frying till it becomes red. You can stir it well, as you can see what we are using to stir it well. So these small things help for sure. So if you're frying, use proper things. And now we are removing the moong dal vada or moong dal bhaji. Wow, so tasty, it looks amazing. Yummy, yummy. I can't wait, when can I have it? So now it's the next batch. We will keep on repeating this process. As you can see, we are again putting some more in the frying kadai. So as you can see, step by step, we are actually putting 4 to 5 kind of bhajis or moong dal bhajis. See, it should be like this red. Once it's that red, it's very much crispy. Get it in the plate. And mind well, we did tasted all of them. We ate it, and it was delicious. Amazing moong dal bhaji or moong dal vada or dal vada as it is famous in Gujarat. So this is a very famous recipe, and you can make it at home and it's crispy. It's just because of the rice flour, guys. You can enjoy it in tea time as snacks or in evening whenever you have time. Enjoy it and garnish it with onion and red chili, green chilies. At rain, it is really amazing. At raining season, you can enjoy it. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Subscribe to YouTube channel. Thank you.